Hello everyone, we're here today at Disney's Old Key West Resort where we are staying in a one-bedroom villa near the Hospitality House. Now we really like being near the Hospitality House because we're near the pool, the food, that's a big deal, and the main areas. And this room does sleep up to 5 adults and has plenty of room for everyone to spread out, so we really like that about this room.
Yeah, the only thing we really don't like is the fact that this building does not have elevators. In fact, none of the buildings have elevators except for buildings 62, 63, and 64, which are not a part of the near Hospitality House category. So if you need those, you got to request it and hope that it comes through. Of course, if you book an accessible room, you're not going to have to worry about that. But if you just like having an elevator, that's just something you got to put in a request for. So either way, though, we're happy to be here and love checking out the room.
So here we go.
Before we even go into the room, you can see we've got a little hidden Mickey right there above the door number. Super cute. And then we go into the room here. On our right, we have a small coat closet. And in here, you're going to find your vacuum cleaner and a small closet rod and a little shelf in there as well. And then this little foyer area, we've got a small table there and a mirror. Over to my left is the hallway to the master bedroom. We'll go check that out in just a couple minutes. On the right, there is a door. This is the door to the studio next door, so it connects up to make a 2-bedroom lock-off villa if you need that. And then here we have the living room and kitchen area. You can see it's just one big room. Our kitchen here, we've got a small island, and underneath the island there is some storage. Nothing down there, but we do have space for groceries and such. And then we have a couple outlets on the island that have USBs built in as well. And then in the kitchen we have a full-size fridge and freezer. We've got an oven and a stove. We have a microwave. Of course, we also have a toaster and a full-size coffee pot. And then we have a dishwasher and a sink. And then everything you need in here to cook, we've got dishes and pots and pans. Silverware, it is fully stocked, as are all of the one-bedroom and larger villas here in the DVC resorts. Then our little dining area over here, we've got a dining room table with 4 chairs around it, and then a little bar area, again more storage space for groceries and such up top, and then down below there's a couple cabinets that have plenty of space in there as well. Now we have these doors over here to the right. This does lead out to our little balcony. If you're on the main floor, you may have a little patio instead, but we've got a couple chairs and a table out here. Decent sized little balcony. This particular room is right by the entrance, so we do get a lot of road noise from traffic coming in and out, but some of the rooms face over towards the golf course and things like that. They're a lot prettier. They do have a lot of greenery around here too, so it does help cut down on the sound a little bit. Now in the living room area, we've got a love seat and a couch. The love seat is just a love seat, but the couch does pull out into a queen size bed. And then this little end table over here, we've got an adorable little lamp that has the lifeguard chair with a little hidden Mickey on the back. Super cute there. And then we also have a pull-out twin-size sleeper chair. So we can sleep up to 5 people here with the queen and the twin right there. And we've got some fun prints on the wall. No hidden Mickeys in these, but they are really pretty themed prints there on the wall of different types of coral. Now heading to the master, we're going to go down this little hall to the right, and over here on the left is the laundry room. Now if you are staying in buildings 11 through 29, you're going to find that the laundry room is just its own room here and has a wall directly in front of us with no pass-through to the bathroom. You have to go through the master to get to the bathroom. So in this building we're in, there is only one way to get to the bathroom. Any of the buildings higher than number 29, so 30 and up, you do have a pass-through door there. Of course, we have a laundry basket in here as well as our full-size washer and dryer. And then heading into the bedroom, we've got a king-size bed here in the bedroom. Really good size room. We've got a chair and an ottoman over there. We've got a couple nightstands. No USB outlets on the nightstands. However, across the room on the dresser, there right below the TV, we do have some USB outlets on there as well as wall outlets. And then just below this mirror, we also have a little bench that has some storage inside of it. And then this door over here leads us right back out to our little balcony or patio, depending on which floor you're on. Now the master bathroom over here, we have a little window pass through from the bedroom. Leads us right over here to the master bathroom. Now before we go in there, I do want to point out this really cute print. This is kind of the idyllic Key West setting, right? And you've even got some little hidden Mickeys there in the fence, just like we have on the buildings here at Old Key West. Now in this bathroom, we do have two separate areas. The first has the jacuzzi tub with a really cute print of Mickey and Minnie up above it. I love that one. That's one of my favorites around here. And then we have a backlit mirror and a good size single vanity over here. Lots of storage space, plus the additional shelf up there above the vanity, and some storage down below as well. And there's a closet over here behind me. This is where you're gonna find your extra blankets and pillows, another closet rod, as well as your safe built into the wall over there. And then this door does separate the other half of the bathroom. Again, the only way to get in here is through the master. There is no second door to this bathroom. But we've got another vanity in here, just a single vanity with a pretty big countertop. We also have storage down underneath for that as well. Of course, we have the mirror up above and the lights, and then we have a walk-in shower here. Really good size walk-in shower. And it has a detachable shower head as well as that rainfall style shower head. And we do have the refillable body wash, shampoo, and conditioner here. And then right over here in the corner is the toilet. Heading back into the living room, we'll show you what it looks like with all the beds pulled out. So Alyssa has pulled out the beds for us. You can see that queen size sleeper over there, as well as the twin size sleeper chair here. Even with all the beds pulled out in here, still a pretty good size room and lots of space for everyone in here. So even if you've got 5 people staying, it's not going to be too cramped because these are pretty spacious rooms. And that's going to conclude our tour of the 1-bedroom villa here at Old Key West. We hope you enjoyed that room tour. If you did, give us a thumbs up down below and leave any questions you have in the comments section. While you're down there, make sure you do subscribe to the channel and hit that bell so you get notified whenever we put out new videos like this or when we go live.
For even more information about Walt Disney World and the Walt Disney World Resorts, head to herewiththeears.com. We've got lots of helpful information for you there. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time,
we're here with the ears.